Hey guys, this is the setup for the slave and master configuration. So I have my two Bluetooth modules here. This one's master and then this one's slave. So I've connected the slave up. So RX pin and RX pin from the Bluetooth module to pin 13 on the Arduino Uno. The TX pin goes to pin 12 or the Arduino Uno. The ground on the Bluetooth module goes to the ground on the Arduino Uno, and the VCC on the Bluetooth module goes to 5 volts on the Arduino Uno. So now I'm gonna just connect my Arduino Uno to my computer. So now I'm going to just go to tools, ports, and it is selected. Board Arduino Uno, and then I'm gonna compile the code, and then I'm gonna upload it. Next, I'm gonna take the Arduino, unplug it, and then on the Bluetooth module, the HC05, it has a little button over here. So you just need to press that, and then you have to replug it, and then you'll see after some time the light will start blinking slowly. So after it starts blinking slowly, you can remove your hand, so you don't need to press the button. And then on the computer, I go back to the Arduino, and then I click on my serial monitor, so like that. And then I'm just gonna minimize the software serial example code. So I'm gonna get my AT commands. So I need the addresses of the body controller and the robot. So basically I need the slave and master addresses. So I put them over here, just like right over here, so I know what's the address. And then these are the AT commands. So first of all, it is AT. So just copy that, enter, and you should receive an OK like this. Next, we need to copy this. So basically this sets the baud rate to 38,400, and then enter. It should give you an OK like here, and then you ask for the role. So like this, and enter. You'll see it is role 0, and you should get another OK. So since this is a slave, we are fine with this. And then next, we're gonna put AT plus C mode equals 0. So this means that it should only focus at one device. So like, which was gonna be the master. Enter, and it should give you an OK. And then we have to ask for the address. So AT plus ADDR question mark, and you will get something like this. So you'll get an OK, and then you'll get plus ADDR colon, and then this. So what you have to do, you have to only copy the part which is after the first colon. So I copied it, and since this is a slave, I'm going to just put it right here. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just remove the colons and put commas, and then that's basically it for now for the slave. Next, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna unplug from my laptop, and then I'm gonna fix the master Bluetooth module over here. So just checking. So like this, and then since the code is already uploaded, I hold the button, plug it in, and then until it flashes slowly, I have to keep my eye on there. Okay, now we'll just clear the output, and then we're gonna do the same things but with little changes. So first thing, 80. So we know that it is ready to be changed or edited, and then we have to set the baud rate. If you want to see the baud rate, you can just instead of the equal sign and everything after that, just put question mark. You can see it's already 38400. So I guess we don't need to do that because like I've set these both up before. So for you, if it's anything different, most probably 9600 over here, then just enter this command, which is this, press enter. You should have an OK with you. Next, the role. So basically what this does, you're asking the role, and that means if it's a master or a slave. So enter, and it says role equals 1, but it will be role equals 0 for you guys because you have not set this up before and I have. So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna do this, remove the question mark sign and place an equal sign, and then if you want to make the HC05 a slave, then you put here 0, but since we want to make it a master, we got to put in 1. So 1 will make the Bluetooth module a master, and then if we ask the role again, it will say role equals 1, then OK. Next, we make it only focus on one device. So here we got an OK. Now we're going to ask for the address. The address part is very important because that makes it gets connected. So we're going to paste it, address. We have gotten this big address, so copy everything which is after the first colon, and we're going to paste it here, and then we're going to remove the colons and put it as commas. This is a bit messy, so I'm just gonna do this. Okay, now since we have the address of the slave module, we are gonna enter a new command which is AT plus bind. So what this does is that this is the part which looks for the other Bluetooth module, which you enter the address of over here, and it will make it connect. So you just take the address of the slave, which is this, make sure it has the commas instead of the semicolon, and so this basically makes it connect to the slave module. So we press enter and it should give OK. Now we can check that by going at plus bind and then question mark, and it should show the address of the slave module. So as you can see, it's the same. Next, we got to set up the slave by setting the at plus bind command. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna just unplug the Arduino Uno from the computer and we're gonna switch it again. So as you can see, now it's switched, so this is a slave module now, and then I hold the button so it's in AT mode. Yep, it's blinking slowly. So let's just clear all of this. Okay, so now there was a little bit of setup change, but that's fine. We are on the same steps. So next we are gonna first put in AT, and yep, we get OK. So that means we can edit. So finally we're gonna put in the bind command and put the master HC05 address over here and make sure it has commas, and we press enter, should give you an OK. And just to check it, we can do at plus bind question mark, so we should get the master's address, and yep, we did get it. So now when they both are powered, they will connect to each other, and then you can communicate them by the serial monitor, so you can create a new serial between them and you can send messages through them, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Thank you for watching.